Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to redeem Google Play Points. First, open your browser and search Google Sign Up. Then, go to the first link that says Create a Google Account. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your Play Store with that email. Now, go to your Play Store app and long tap. Select App Info. Force stop the app and then go to Storage. Clear data and clear cache. That's it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, leave a like, share, and subscribe.